Hello, today I'd like to explain something regarding temperature measurement with a standard handheld instrument or as an alternative with the SIKA EC25 Multifunction Process Calibrator. So let's start with the handheld instrument. So a simple handheld instrument, we can connect a thermocouple type K. So a small connector plug with the suitable sensor of the thermocouple. You can connect the sensor to the instrument, switch on the instrument. After an initialization takes a time, then temperature is indicated. If I put my fingers there, then it heats up, and so that means you can make an easy reading of temperature. So now the question appears, how to connect such a sensor instead of this instrument to an EC25. So you have two possibilities. With the EC25 you have the possibility to make measurements and to generate signals, that means source signals. So here in this case we like to measure. So if you like to connect something, a plug like this on that, you will see it will not fit. For this reason you need such an adapter, and you have the minus and the plus. The minus is connected to COM, the plus is connected to this terminal. So at first you have to put in the adapter, and then you can recognize that you have the possibility to connect the sensor to the adapter. So that means now the things are connected. Next step is you switch on the instrument. After initialization you can see measurement on top and source on the lower level. And as we like to make measurement, we can switch on the measurement. So if I switch on the measurement, you will see you have a millivoltage signal. So as we connected the thermocouple, we have a DC millivoltage signal. But now we like to see the right centigrade value. So that means we select function, and then it switches over to milliamp, it switches over to ohms, and now it switches over to degrees Celsius. And here you can see it's thermocouple type K, and cold junction, the internal automatic cold junction compensation is switched on. On the upper display you can recognize the current room temperature, and for example with this operating button you can switch off the indication of the room temperature, and then you see it will indicate 0.7 centigrade because you switch off the cold junction compensation. You have to switch it on, and then you will see the right value. And if you touch the sensor, the sensing element with your fingers, then you will see the temperature increases. And after, if you like to switch off the measurement, you can switch it off. It's indicated switch off, and that's it. How to measure with an EC25 a thermocouple.